Hi, I am Revati, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Engineering. In this lecture series video of Biology for Engineers, today's topic is lipids. What does mean by lipids? It is an insoluble organic solvent which is majorly biomolecules along with carbohydrates and proteins. Organic components which is soluble in water, mainly of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and sometimes it may be nitrogen or potassium, etc. So composed of these biomolecules. So these are all called lipids, which may high in fat, cholesterol, and etc. So general characteristics are energy rich in molecules involving in signaling and insulation. So we have already seen about the diabetics. So whereas there we can see about the lipid deficiency. So that lipid is one of the major factor for insulations. So serves as structural components of cell membranes, hydrophobic or amiphatic in nature. So why the lipid is mentioned as hydrophobic? So whereas hydrophobia is referred to the person who is fear of water. So that's hydrophobic is the substance is insoluble in water, H2O or else in liquid components. So lipids are basically mentioned as hydrophobic. So you can experimentally see that fat content or like moistured content, ghee or anything is anything you have touched and then you have dipped in water, it may be like insoluble substance. So that it is mentioned that hydrophobic. So simple lipids, compound lipids and derived lipids. So classification of lipids comes under these three categories. So in simple lipids, it is referred as fat, oils and waxes. Compound lipids are phospholipids, glycolipids and lipoproteins. Derived lipids are steroids, fatty acid, vitamin A, D, E and K. That is called derived lipids. So fats and oils are simple lipids, ester of fatty acid with glycerol, waxes, esters of fatty acid with long chain alcohol. So compound lipids are phospholipids, important in cell membranes, and glycolipids are carbohydrate plus lipid, important in nervous tissue. Lipoproteins are transport lipids in blood, HDL and LDL. Steroids, so cholesterol, hormones, estrogen, estrogen, cortisol are some of the steroids. So steroid organelles are mainly for female and male hormones, and then in that is referred as hormones, estrogen and estrogens. Fatty acids are saturated and unsaturated. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. So, what does mean by saturated versus unsaturated fatty acid? Saturated, no double bonds, solid at room temperature, that is butter. Unsaturated, one or more double bonds, liquid at room temperature, oil. So, which is like watery contents are comes under unsaturated, and then it's a moistured content, solid contents are comes under saturated. Importance in health and cardiovascular diseases. So, biological functions of lipids are energy storage up to 9 kilocalories per gram, structural role in membranes, insulation and protection of organs, hormones and signaling molecules, absorption of fat soluble vitamins are major functions of a biological lipids. So, lipids and health, which comes under essential fatty acid, omega 3, omega 6, which is highly rich in fish. So, omega content is highly intakeable through fish. Roles in heart health and cholesterol balance, risk of excess obesity and atherosclerosis. So, obesity and cholesterol, which may lead to heart diseases, and then it leads to diabetic like diseases. So, lipids is more important for secretion of insulation. We have seen about in the uh, third point in previous slide, that insulation and protection of organs of the function of lipids. So lipid is more important for avoiding diabetes, heart issues, etc. So what are the applications of lipids are food industry. They are manufacturing lipids through oil, butter and margarine. Cosmetics, waxes and oils, so we are using moisturizer, lip balms, everything which is comes under cosmetic. Paramedical, it may comes under drugs delivery system, whereas we are lagging in vitamin D or vitamin K, something which is like that. You can see in pharmacy we are providing a vitamin E capsule, like oil, like fish like capsule, that is rich in omega content, which is alternate way for intaking of lipid. So industrial uses, it is used as a biofuels and lubricants, grease or anything else that may be. So, lipids are essential biomolecules with structural, energy, and signaling roles, classified into simple components and derived types. Balance of dietary lipids is crucial for health. Thank you.